Growing on Instagram can feel impossible. Whether you're an agency, creator, business, or artist, you invest your time, energy, and resources, but the results just don't follow. There has to be a better way. BoostFluence introduce a powerful new solution: interactive campaigns designed to drive real results, bringing you more visibility, followers, engagement, and clients automatically. Here is how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your campaign goal. Grow your audience, boost engagement, or convert clients. Step 2. Set your targets by keywords, users, or location to find the right audience. Step 3. Launch your campaign. BoostFluence will handle smart interactions on your behalf to help you reach your goals. But that's not all. BoostFluence offers both growth and management solutions to cover all your Instagram needs: content scheduling, automated reposts, inbox unification, and more. Trusted by top brands like KFC and over 50,000 users, BoostFluence has helped users gain over 50 million followers, safely and securely, all within Instagram's guidelines. Ready to boost your Instagram? Start your free trial with BoostFluence today.